In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change card color in Trello step by step. If you want to organize your board better, highlight priority tasks, or simply make your workflow more visual, changing card colors using covers is a simple but powerful feature. I'll walk you through everything, including how to use solid colors and even how to add a custom cover image. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any options. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to your board. Once you're inside your board, go to the specific list where your card is located. Trello organizes tasks into lists, and inside each list, you'll see individual cards. These cards represent your tasks, projects, or action items. Click on the card that you want to change the color for. This will open the card details view, where you can edit everything related to that specific task. Once the card is open, look toward the right-hand side of the card panel. You'll see several options, such as members, labels, checklist, dates, attachment, and more. To change the card color, click on the Edit option if it appears, or directly look for the Cover option in the menu. In most Trello layouts, you'll see an option labeled Change Cover. Go ahead and click on Change Cover. When you click Change Cover, a new panel will open showing different background options. At the top, you'll typically see color choices. These are solid color backgrounds that you can apply instantly to your card. Now click on Colors. You'll see a selection of preset colors provided by Trello. These can include shades like blue, green, orange, red, purple, and more. Simply click on any color you like, and it will automatically apply to your card as a cover. You'll immediately see the visual change. If you want the color to fully cover the card front instead of just appearing as a banner, you can adjust the cover size option. Trello allows you to choose whether the cover displays as a partial header or fills the entire card. This is especially useful if you want your cards to stand out clearly in your list. In addition to solid colors, Trello also allows you to add a cover image. Inside the same Change Cover panel, you can choose from suggested images, search for stock images, or upload your own image from your computer. If you want something more customized, click Upload and select an image file. Once uploaded, it will instantly apply as the card cover. Using cover images can be helpful for visual project management. For example, you can use different images for different clients, departments, or campaign types. This makes it much easier to scan your board quickly. After selecting your color or image, simply click outside the card panel or close it. Trello automatically saves your changes, so there's no need to press a save button. Your card color is now updated. That's it. That's how you change card color in Trello. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how organized and visually clear your board looks. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tutorials, productivity hacks, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.